We're here this afternoon with Brian from Holiday Coach Tours. You're telling me, Brian, that you've been in this since 1992 and you reckon that these are the finest coaches you can get for touring, for this kind of work. The absolute best you can get in Australia.
Well, that's true, Paul. And it's not because they're the most expensive, but Scania put a lot of effort into making these products work. Things like airbag suspension are better than other vehicles. We got toilets, we have reclining chairs, we have seat belts, we have road cameras, which are quite interesting. It means, you can see in front of you. If you're down the back, you've got TVs down the back and at the front so that you can see where we're going, what we're doing.
And you were telling me, or you were showing me actually the checklist. I couldn't believe the amount of detail involved and the trouble you go to keep it maintained.
Well, that's true. Scania have we're on what we call a Scania repair and maintenance program. They have quite a few. It's about 110 points, if I remember correctly, and go through. And we also use that as our daily program. We don't do that. We check the coach. Things like tyres, lights, interior. That things are working.
Yeah. Well, that sounds great, Brian. Thanks for that.
Okay.